I welcome you all to our program Babel Gabble. This is Jyoti, your friend from Igni Disha Foundation. And today, on this wonderful day of International Women's Day, it's my heartiest wishes and my good, loving congratulations to all that ladies out there who are working hard to make two ends meet. So today we have an inspiring lady with us. Her name is Sujata Roy. She is professionally a teacher. She is an artist. She is a poet. And she is a wonderful person I have ever met. So I welcome Sujata Di to our wonderful program on this International Women's Day. So Didi, namaskar. You would like to say something to our audience?
I am Sujata Roy. Today Jyoti is interested to meet me, and she is very cooperative girl, and she always share all the events with who are interested and who can flourish the event, who can specialize the event in many ways. So she wants today that Women's Day should be spreaded in each and every woman. So let us see what she wants.
Yes, thank you so much, Didi. Today, yes, I want the creativity, the inspiration which I have received from Sujata Roy ji to inspire others, to other friends of mine who are watching this program right now. So, first of all, my question to you is, Didi, that you are a mom, you are a wife, you are a teacher. So, how do you balance between being a creator, a homemaker, and a nurturer? How do you balance between these different roles in your life?
Well, see, when we are coming to the earth, means as a baby, that time we don't know anything. That time we are totally ignorant. Slowly we are nurtured in mother's lap, and we are getting the surroundings, whatever the environment beside us, that from that we are nurtured, and we are becoming little grown up, young. Then after youth age we are coming to one personality. Whatever profession who is taking, that is different matter. But from young age to married age, means as a married lady, it's a very important journey. Young age, when we are kids, when we are youth, we are dependent on parents. But when we are becoming married, that time responsibility are coming on us. And naturally after marriage, it is very normal thing, natural thing, we will be becoming as mother. And when we are mother, we are totally responsible. One baby, one new life depend on us. That feeling, that responsibility, that is unique, and that is a power. And from that power, we are getting that strength to flourish our baby, to flourish the all the quality or whatever she is having, or she or he is having that quality. She can flourish, she can grown up, he can grown up. Rather than that, we are having that power, means all mothers, not we, means all the mothers, all the ladies having that power, that they can protect their kids, they can guide their kids. Okay, these things every mother knows. But as I am a teacher, I can tell you, Jyoti, that mother is a really one powerful person who can do everything for their kids. But one teacher, if she is a mother, she will be the best teacher. Because whenever we are in classroom, we are remembering our kids, we are remembering how we are dealing at home. So whatever our best feeling, we are imparting in the classroom. We are giving our knowledge, whatever knowledge we acquired, we are giving to the students. Rather than that, guidance. which is most important in life, as they can flourish like our children. And when it is very true, when we are, means very long back we started our career, now when we are seeing that our kids are, they are also established in life, really it's a unique feeling, means that feeling is totally different. So am I right, Jyoti?
You're perfectly right. Didi.
Whatever, any more thing? Because you have asked me my most favorite question. Because I love my classroom, I love my student, I love my life.
You feel your life worth living because you are imparting knowledge to the future generation of our country.
That's when, you know, even now as my daughter is totally grown up, still I know she has to learn many things. Even with me, even I am also learning. Every day I am learning something new from anybody, and I try, if it is better, always I try to impart.
It's very rightly said.
Okay.
That's a very good quality of a woman, that you know she is a student and she is a teacher too.
Yeah. If you like, then I will tell you one thing. One means I will end with this. See, when one baby born, she is a daughter of somebody. She is a daughter. She grown up. She is a young girl. Because as today means International Women's Day, so I am making only she. I am not saying he. She is a daughter. Then she is a young girl. Then she becomes a wife. Okay, I am saying the stages.
Yes.
Then after wife she is becoming mother. And after mother she will become, but mother means a complete woman. When she is becoming mother, she is complete woman. Then next stage, children will be the taking care as a daughter again, like it is recycling. Means that should be.
Absolutely. Sujata, actually you're reminding me of our history which we have learned, that Jijabai was the most influencing mother of Shivaji. She has influenced him to be the great freedom fighter whom we know today. We know Lakshmi Bai, a mother who has tied her baby around her back and she fought the battle with all her strength. So we know our moms, our mothers, they have the strength to make us the best. They are not only a creator, they are nurturers. Nurturers of tomorrow, nurturers of a citizen, next citizen of a country. So I salute really to you and many like you who have balanced between being a creator, being a homemaker and being a nurturer.
Salute to all women. And you know what the point you told? Always I told my parents, my students' parents, that mother is the best teacher. Rather than me, if mother's motivating, children can do anything. Mother should not be negative. All mothers should say, the kids, yes, you can do. Yes, you go forward. I am back of you. I am behind you. So no scare, no fear. You move forward. Mothers can do anything if she wants.
Absolutely.
Okay, thank you so much, Jyoti. You have raised that my favorite point, because nowadays it is very critical that students are demotivating. So if corner of my life, corner of my heart, my words, give spirit on the students, it's my good luck.
Yes.
It's my good luck.
You mean to say that if you can inspire a student, if you can, pass on your good spirit to the student of yours. So obviously they are not only going to enlighten themselves, they are going to enlighten people around them, and they will carry your values to the world.
That is most important nowadays. Value is the most important. If value is there, moral is there in my heart, we can be motivated myself, no other than. And nowadays surroundings are worst. sometimes. So we have to filter which is good, which is bad. That is value. That is only value. That I should have that power that I can filter my work.
Absolutely. So on this International Women's Day, we had a wonderful talk with teacher Sujata Roy, and she is a most respected Didi of ours, and she has conveyed a beautiful message to us that we should always give importance to our values, which we carry to our next generation and to people around. So values are the one which will keep us always with us, and in any difficult situations, this integrity within us will keep us strong. So, happy Women's Day to all.
Happy Women's Day.